Hello guys, it's Naomi from Fizz here. In this video, I will teach you guys numbers in Chinese, and in order to make you guys grab it better and easier, I will introduce the Chinese numbers by several parts because we need to learn step by step, then we can grab better. So let's go. For the first part, we will learn the numbers from 1 to 10. And you can see that the 1, 2, 3 is really easy. It's just like lines, right? The 1, E, 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 just one line. 2, R, 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 two lines. 3, San, 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 three lines. And then you find something really weird, just like the 4. It should be 4 lines, but why look like 8? Hell. And I will teach you guys how to memorize and to know the deep meaning. I mean the origin of it. So let's go. And now let's work on 4. It is pronounced 四, 四, 四. And I can draw to help you understand it better. I will use the strokes of it, but I will make it look like a picture. And you can see I used the strokes of 4, but it's different. It's just like a desk, but actually it is a direction device. In ancient China, people used 4 to represent 4 directions: north, south, west, and east. So it is the 4 lines represent, and the rest of two strokes, we can understand it like the legs of a device. So it's really easy to understand. And just look it and look the number 4 again, then you can memorize it. And for the number 5, it originally is a picture of 2 things crossing, like X. It means crossing first, then became the number 5. And to memorize it, I guess I have a good plan for drawing. So what do you think it looks like? Just like when you want to make your clothes really soft and flat, you will use a soft machine, right? And now it is really like a soft machine. It is a dress. So when you look the number really like soft machine, it means it is 5, right? Really vivid, Lord. So you can memorize it like this. And 5 in Chinese pronounced 五, 五, 五. And for 6, looks like a small house. It is called 炉 in Old Chinese. The sound liu was close to 炉, so it became the number 六, 6. And yeah, as you can see, 6 in Chinese is 六, 六, 六. And I have a good plan for memorizing it. Just draw a person like me, and he open his hands and stand like this. It looks like Liu, right? Liu. We want to hug someone. You behave like this. So really easy to memorize. And 7 in Chinese is 七, 七, 七. And 7 is just like a cross with a little tail. It means cutting, like a live cutting something. The tail helped tear it apart from, just like 10, right? If you have a great imagine ability, you can just find that. It's really like the handle of umbrella. You can see, I will pay it for you guys. really look alike. You can see the one I mark really like the qi, right? So it's easy to understand and memorize. And let's count to 8 in Chinese. It is ba, ba, ba. And it happens that in Chinese, we have a word the pronunciation is really close to ba. It is loudspeaker, 喇叭. Not only for the pronunciation, but also for the form. You can see I will paid for you guys. The loudspeaker looks like this, right? And you can see the one I marked really looks ba in Chinese, right? So ba. And for the lie in Chinese, it is 九 9. And I guess many of you are really confused because it doesn't look like anything. But if I write its Asian form, you can just see it looks like one thing. So I will write its Asian form. Yeah, in Asian Chinese, look like, at first it looks like this, and then this, this. And as time went by, it looks like present 9. And for the first time, you can see it's just like a hook, right? So really easy to understand and memorize. For the number 10, it is like 10, 10, 10. And it is really similar, actually almost the same to the crossing road. You can see it is a crossing road. And there are some trees, roof or something, and there's a just like this. It's a crossing road, and it happens that the crossing road in Chinese it is 十字路口. So you can see that the name of crossing road contains the word 十 because it looks like number 10, so we call it 十字路口. Now we come to the second part. It's about the numbers from 11 to 99. Just like English, the Chinese numbers also has its principles and rules. And I divide the Chinese numbers in this range into 3 parts: A group, B group, and C group. And you can observe that in the A group, I use the pink mark. The 10 is in the first place, right? But in the group B, the blue mark, the 10 is in the last place. But in the C group, the 10 is in the middle. For the green group, green mark. So in Chinese, the numbers between 11 and 99, we use the 10 in different places to represent different numbers. For the A group, it is for the numbers between 11 to 19. It is just for if you want to express like 12, it is 12, 12, 12. For 13, 13, 13, 13. You can see that you just need to put the 10 in the first place and then add the Chinese pronunciation of the one behind the one. You can see 12, which is the number is 12, right? 12 is the numbers of 12, and then add the Chinese pronunciation of 2 behind the 10. You can get you can get the Chinese number. And for the B group, like 20, 20, you can also see that the 20 consists of 2 and 0, and 0 here means 10. 10 is like 10, So 2. So you just need to add the Chinese pronunciation of 2 R in front of 10, then 20, which means 20. It's similar to the uh, conjugation of English words like 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals to 20 plus t, and 20 equals to 2 plus 10. So it's really easy. And same for 30. Like 30, 30, 30, 30. So you also just like you add the 3 and 10 together, then 30. And for the C group, it's for the number like 23, 24. Just like English, we can see that the T is also in the middle, between 20 and 3, like the 23, right? And for it's similar in Chinese, like 23, 23. It is just like you use the 2, use the pronunciation, Chinese pronunciation of 2, then plus 10, then plus the Chinese pronunciation of 3, then you can get 23, 23. And in this and for the say principle, 34 is 34, 34. So in conclusion, in Chinese, if you want to express the numbers between 11 to, from 11 to 99, then you just need to drop the places of 10. Then you can know all numbers. You can express all numbers in Chinese fluently as long as you grab the meaning and the places. So you can employ the link between English numbers ways to help your Chinese numbers memorizing. So we have a question here. If you grab the principles of Chinese numbers, what is 11, 15, 40, 50, 78, and 89 in Chinese? Just write its Chinese characters and its pinyin in our comment. Today, we learned about how to express numbers from 1 to 99. And if you want to know more numbers in Chinese, just tell me in our comment and I will record it next time. And I do wish today's class can help you greatly. If you have any problem, you can also just ask me in our comment. And see you. Wish you have a good day. Bye.